Okay, hello students. So today we are going to work out problem number 5. The following are the balance sheets of X Limited. So 2 years balance sheet is given. So 2016 and 2017 balance sheet. So come to the liability side. First one, share capital. So in order to work out the problem in easiest way, so you have to divide liabilities into two types. One is current liabilities and non-current liabilities. Come to the share capital. It's a non-current liability. Debenture, non-current liability. So P&L account, non-current liability. Creditors, current liability. Provision for bad and doubtful debts, yes, it's a current liability. So why we are taking this as a current liability means it's a provision. So for a specific purpose, so this fund has been created. Okay, so whenever there is a bad and doubtful debt, so they are going to use this fund. So that's why it's a current liability. Provision for depreciation on land building, on plant and machinery is given. So here provision for depreciation is non-current liability. Okay, so the first thing, so classify so as current liability and non-current liabilities. Next, come to the asset side. So you have to classify assets as fixed assets and current asset. Plant and machinery, fixed asset. Land and building, fixed asset. Stock, current asset. Bank, current asset. Next, preliminary expenses. So preliminary expenses is non-current liability. Debtors, non-current assets. So this is current asset. So preliminary expenses, it's not a fixed asset and it's not a current asset. So this is miscellaneous expenses. First year 7,000, second year 6,000. So 1,000 was written off. So in case of written off of this miscellaneous expenses, so we need to show in adjusted P&L account. So whenever you are working out the problem, okay, so just see the information. During the year, a part of machinery costing rupees 70,000, accumulated depreciation 2,000 was sold for rupees 6,000. A part of machinery, the cost of machinery was 70,000 and depreciation for this 70,000 worth of machinery was 2,000 and which was sold for rupees 6,000. 70,000 worth of machinery, so depreciation 2,000 was sold for rupees 6,000. Next, dividend of rupees 50,000 were paid during the year. So dividend paid. So in order to do this adjustment, so this is adjustment related to machinery. So definitely we need to prepare plant and machinery ledger account. So ledger account should be prepared only for fixed assets, not for current assets. So current assets will be shown in statement of changes in working capital. So if necessary, only for fixed assets, so you need to prepare ledger account. If adjustment is there or anything which is there, you need to prepare ledger account. Next, dividend 50,000 paid during the year. Dividend paid. So dividend paid it should be entered in twice. So the first dividend paid of rupees 50,000 should be entered in adjusted P&L account, and second one in fund flow statement in application. Okay, so every adjustment to be entered twice, and this is so many transactions are there. We will work out a ledger account. We will come to know dividend, adjusted P&L account, and in fund flow statement. So cash is outgoing. In application stage we need to show. So we need to calculate changes in working capital and fund flow statement. Okay na? So next, so for the solution, so it will be posted in the next video.